Hello everyone, my name is Hannah Trudes. Today for this video, we will be answering a question. And here's the message. Hello, I have Filipino girlfriend and 7-month baby. Baby was born in Philippines and she has Filipino and Polish passport. I want to invite my Filipina to visit me with our daughter. What requirements she will need to get visa, and the most important, to leave country without me. I am in Poland. Give me advice, please. Hello to you. Thank you for reaching out, and I hope you watch this video. So, since you said you want your girlfriend and daughter to visit you, so this falls under short stay Schengen visa or visiting family or friends. So, this visa allows your partner, your girlfriend, to stay up to 90 days. But the final number of days still depends on the embassy if they will grant the 90 days. So please note that a short stay visa cannot be extended or and cannot be converted to a long stay visa. If your girlfriend plans to stay more than 90 days in Poland, then she should apply for a long stay visa instead. And as you have said, because your daughter has a Polish passport, then she does not need a visa to enter Poland. So only your Filipino girlfriend needs to apply for a visa. Now, the question, where to apply? So your girlfriend will submit her requirements to BLS Philippines because the BLS is the official service provider of the Polish embassy in the Philippines. So here's the official checklist for Schengen visa visiting family or friends. So before complying all the documents, it is very important to read all of the notes here from 1 up to 12 to avoid any mistakes for your application. So first, they said here, the Embassy of the Republic of Poland does not give back the documents that are submitted with the application, and the applicant is advised to make an appropriate amount of copies of documents that she or he might need in the future. And then next is all documents need to be attached in originals plus copies if required below. So copies are sufficient only when it is specifically mentioned in the list. Okay, later on we will see it if which documents are need to be original or just a copy. Next is failure to submit the documents listed below or incomplete applications may result in negative decisions in visa case. And the next, the required documents have to be translated into Polish or English in a separate document according to the instructions below. The embassy reserves the right to request additional information or documentation and, if deemed necessary, to interview the applicant in person. So, actually, for first application, for first time applicants, usually they require a personal interview. And the next, documents which were neither issued in the Philippines nor in Poland must be legalized or have an apostille. The passport remains at the embassy during the review of the documents. So they will take the original passport during the application process. Please arrange your documents according to the checklist. When in possession of all documents from the list, book your appointment with Polish Visa Application Center in Manila or Cebu BLS. The consul will make the decision on the visa within 15 calendar days. Exceptionally, the time to make the decision can be extended up to 45 days. So it is better to apply as early as possible. If a minor is traveling without the parents having the legal custody, a travel permit may be necessary. Please contact the Philippine Department of Social Welfare and Development after you receive the visa. After receiving the visa, please inform yourself regarding possible exit requirements on the part of Philippine authorities and bear in mind that the embassy can offer neither advice nor support in this matter. So they mean about the Philippine immigration once your visa is approved. So here's the general requirements. First, number one, visa application form without blanks, signed by the applicant. So this form is on the BLS website and is also it will be also emailed after booking an appointment. So I will be uploading another video about on the step-by-step guide on how to apply for a Schengen visa going to Poland. The second requirement, your passport or other travel document and one copy of the identification page. So the travel document must be not older than 10 years and valid for at least 90 days after the planned departure day from Poland or any Schengen countries and containing at least 2 blank pages. And the third is one passport sized photo with white background and not older than 6 months. And then next is the visa fee. The visa fee is 90 euros and to be paid upon submission of visa application at the BLS. And then number 5 is the proof of ties in the Philippines. So here, as you can see, proof of social security contributions. This is the SSS contributions in the Philippines, if relevant or if applicable. And then copy of real estate property or title deed if the applicant have their own properties in the Philippines. And then proof of family ties in the Philippines if the applicant have children, then birth certificates of children, or if the applicant is married, then marriage certificate. And these certificates should be issued by the PSA. And then next is proof of occupation. First, if the applicant is employed in the Philippines, then they should submit certificate of employment, certificate of leave absence, and latest income tax return. You can also include your work contract or pay slips for the last 3 months. So if the applicant is self-employed, they need to provide proof of company registration issued by the DTI and Securities Exchange Commission's registration of business. And also latest income tax return from BIR and business financial statement. If the applicant is a pupil or student, they need to provide proof of enrollment and certificate of leave absence if traveling during school year. And then the number 7 is proof of financial means of the applicant. So even if the travel is sponsored, the applicant must still show his or her own financial documents. That is very important. So for that, they need to provide bank certificate, bank books, and its copies, personal bank statements showing regular income, credit card statements, or balance covering the last 6 months. And for minors, proof of parents or legal guardians' economic means. And then number 8, proof of travel arrangements. So this is the flight reservation. I mean, flight reservation only. So you don't need to book a confirmed ticket yet. The embassy will accept flight reservation or dummy ticket. And the next is number 9, if traveling with spouse and or children. So you need to submit the marriage contract from the PSA and birth certificates of children certified by the PSA. And the next is proof of accommodation. So it's either hotel booking or a letter from the sponsor confirming accommodation or the officially registered invitation. Or I think in Polish it is called Zaproscini. I don't know if it is correct. I don't know if the pronunciation is correct. Zaproscini. So that is the official registered invitation. And then, for non-Philippine applicants, this is the document. And then for minors, this is also the specific requirements for them. And then next is the travel insurance. So the travel insurance must have a minimum coverage of 30,000 euros and valid in all Schengen countries, and coverage period for the entire duration of the trip. For short-term visas, I highly suggest getting your travel insurance from AXA Schengen. I already have a complete video guide about it, so make sure to watch it. And then next is the documents to submit specifically for family or friends visit. So this is the additional requirements if the purpose of your travel is to visit your family or your friends in Poland. So first here is the proof of sponsorship or proof of accommodation, and that is the officially registered invitation. Plus, the sponsor can also add a personalized invitation letter or sponsorship letter together, and also a proof of relationship such as birth certificate, marriage certificate, or photocopy of the biodata page of the sponsor's passport. So for this one, from my previous clients, for the proof of relationship, especially for girlfriend or boyfriend, like for unmarried couples, it is better to provide a photos together and like chat conversations, call logs, emails, proof of gifts, or proof of remittances. Even if it is not here on the checklist, it is very important to provide any additional proof of relationship. That is really very important. So you can actually add any additional supporting documents here. It is fine. There's no problem if you add, even if it's not on the checklist. So it is really okay to submit more supporting documents. If you think that it will help your application, then provide those supporting documents. It will not be a problem for your application. So the more you have a supporting documents, the better actually. And that's everything your girlfriend needs to comply to apply for a Schengen visit visa to Poland. So I hope this video helps you avoid mistakes, and your girlfriend prepare the correct documents. So if you have any additional questions or need clarifications about the requirements, please just comment it below or just send me an email at rootstravel@web.de. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and watch my other videos for more visa guides. Thank you for watching. Bye.